Nantuan, Commissioner representing the North Central. Honorable Jide Jimo, Commissioner representing the Southwest. Barrister Martins Azubike, Commissioner representing.
Sorry, can I interfere? Maybe some of us are not experienced. You stand according to how you are called. Please, that is what you are supposed to tell them. You should arrange them according to how their names appear. Please, 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 please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very, very much, gentlemen. We'll have to ask you to please step forward. Honorable Chief Justice. Please do step forward, sir, to the front to be sworn. You will stand right there close to the minister, sir. You have to stand close to the minister there.
Your oath of allegiance. I hereby solemnly declare, swear and pledge that in the service of my country, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria at all times. That as in the services of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will not discriminate on the basis of religion, tribe, cult, or status, or practice any form of partiality in the performance of my official duties. I will always place service to the public above selfish interests, realizing that a public office is a public trust. I will always perform my official duties diligently and efficiently. I will not engage or be involved in any activity in conflict.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.